in Farmer's Branch. We're gonna check this room out. So far, it's pretty dark. To the lights. Check out the bathroom first since it's right here on the right. Clean. Everything's good. Checking the toilet.
Do a flush test.
Flush test. There you go. You won't have any problems with that. We're gonna come on in here and check out.
Show us the countertop.
Oh, dude. Look.
What do we
Nice little
get?
lavender soap if you like those. I have like 1,000 of these at home in a little basket just because I love them so much.
What do you think about the countertop?
The countertop's very nice.
It is, dude. Look at it.
It's very modern.
Very modern. Yeah.
And then you all look at that. You get your complimentary soap right here, so you don't have to worry about bringing anything here to the hotel. If you forget something at home, they got it. Just call it the front desk if they don't have it up here. Tissues. Got a little makeup mirror right here. And it lights up.
Oh, and it lights up.
Look at that. It shows all your blemishes you don't want to see.
What about this? How do you feel about that mirror? I think it's very modern, and I really like the light on it.
The lighting is good. It'll make you look great.
It'll make you look fantastic. Look at this guy.
Fantastic.
Look at this guy.
Especially if you put sunglasses on, you really won't see any of your problems. But we're doing very well, and hey, very important, they actually use bags in their trash cans. Look at the shower here. Nice tile floor. Very modern, glass, sleek, no water spots. They clean this place very well. I actually really like it.
Shower test?
Yeah, shower test.
Don't get wet, dude.
I don't know how to use it. Hold on. It's not working.
What? I don't think you're just using it right. I think you're supposed to pull it. Yeah, dude.
Oh. Shower works.
So what do you have to do? You gotta pull it?
You have to
pull it and then spin it for the temperature, right?
You can pull it and spin for temp. So over here is hot, over here is cold. There's like a little, so there's like a sun on this side for hot and a little snowflake on this side for cold.
Nice.
And shower's good. And it drains well, it's not plugged up.
Great.
Oh.
What do we got in here?
Other side, and we got double door opening closet. Hey, it's for security. We have a safe right there.
So one thing I've stayed at hotels though, they don't have any robes or slippers. Sometimes they do. Oh. This one does not.
No, it doesn't. But at least it has a full-size ironing board. I hate those little ones that you put on tables and stuff.
Yeah.
But they do have hangers for you to hang up your pants stuff. The little special ones right here. But yeah, we got those. And actually extra blankets because I believe that if we have those, so when we go over here to the main area.
You missed this, man. It's very important.
Check it. You can set it to whatever temperature you want.
And why is that important?
It's important because sometimes you can't do that, and it gets very hot.
And it's 100 degrees outside.
It's 102 degrees outside here in Texas, and it gets very hot in the summertime. In the wintertime, it can get cold, but not too bad. But if you want it hot or cold, you have options to switch it right here, and you can turn it off. It gets muggy though. I wouldn't do that. It's humid. It's very humid.
All right. Do you want to turn on the lights so everyone can see what you got here?
One light already on. Here's one right here. Don't even have to hit the button. It's just kind of tap it. So that's a nice little desk. So yeah, we got a desk here. It's like, got a television. Does it work? Yep. Turns on. Cool. We got another lamp.
All right. So you got the lamp there.
Yeah, we got, dude,
you got a little
we got a sweet
table
little
here.
couch here. Ooh, it's comfy.
Comfy.
Yeah, nice throw pillows too.
Yeah, like, would you sleep on this couch?
I'd sleep on this couch. Actually, let's check under here. Oh, so, like I said, in the closet there was those extra blankets, and it's because this actually turns into another bed.
That's great, dude.
So it's a pull out, and then you can actually have multiple people sleeping in here, even though it's just a one bedroom. But yeah, so there you go. Extra place to stay. And we got a full king size bed right here where it's just...
You want to try on the lamps right there? The little reading lamps? Reading lights?
Yep. Oh, you just hit this little button. So partner wants to sleep, you don't have to have all the lights on place, you can just do this and you can see your book fine.
Yeah. Lay on the bed, see how comfy it is.
Look at these pillows.
Nice.
Yeah, you get 4 pillows. One for between your legs, your back, your head, and...
They're pretty comfy? Oh, he's asleep.
I'm not gonna move.
He's not moving. All right. Well, you gotta move because you gotta show us the rest.
Oh, okay.
You gotta open those cabinets. What do we have? Do we have a fridge? Is it a mini bar? What do we got?
We got a mini fridge in here. Is it stocked? Nope, not stocked. So there you go. You can't get caught drinking stuff and charging for you or whatever. But we have drawers here for your clothing if you want. Well,
and then some people really like this. You can't miss that. What do we have in terms of coffee and stuff?
coffee. It looks like what is this? We got tea.
Mm-hmm.
And we got.
It doesn't look as stocked as other places I've been to.
We got tea. It looks like they actually forgot to restock the actual coffee for this. So currently you don't have coffee. Nope, that's a downgrade.
That's
But the good news is that they have it free down in the lobby.
yeah, dude, this is cool, man. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
You got all those plugs right next to the TV, so if you're like working
nice chair
in.
to do all your work at this desk here.
Yeah.
I would say that this sticks out a little far
Yeah.
for your work zone, but at least it'll light up your
Yeah,
screen.
don't headbutt yourself.
Yeah, don't hit your head. What else is cool about
Dude, this bed is like a little it's on like a platform.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
hide
that's
stuff
pretty cool.
underneath the bed if you like. Unless you want to stick stuff.
Oh,
Nope.
it's not really that much. Okay.
But it's high.
Yeah. You want to show us what is this? Can you open this? Or is that just
This is just a mirror.
okay, just a mirror with a rack here.
Yep.
It's like a secret door. Not really.
That'd be cool. Oh, also, perk of this room.
Okay.
There's nothing connecting. There are no doors connecting to this. Because I hate that when, the neighbor's trying to knock.
No other rooms. No doors connecting to the other rooms. Yeah.
Yes, that's a perk. And then,
Check out the view.
Let's see what our view's like.
Woo!
Alright.
Wow, what is this? This is a balcony.
We got a balcony out here. And it's accessible. Look at that.
What does that notice? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Alright, let's go outside here for a little bit.
And it's not bad. It's actually in pretty good condition. I don't think this hotel is that new, but it's
Really? Because it
definitely done
looks
some
really
work.
new.
They've done some pretty good work on it.
What's the view here?
So here's the view. We got a small lake. Over there are pretty nice apartments. We're pretty close to the airport, so Ubering to the airport or anything like that, very cheap. There's we got a pool.
Yeah. What do we have here in terms of food? What are we looking at?
Food-wise, in this area, lots of Korean food. So if you like, hot pots or there's also Vietnamese. So if you like banh mi or something like that, it's delicious. But yeah.
You actually like banh mi, dude?
What?
You like banh mi?
I love banh mi.
It's just a
I don't
sandwich.
like pate though.
It's terrible.
Pate is gross.
Dude, banh mi is terrible.
Banh mi's?
Oh, look, it's a plane.
Yeah. See, like I said, we're close to the airport. That doesn't mean that this place is loud.
Yeah.
I mean, there's not like a whole bunch of planes everywhere. That was just one random one. But
There's not really a lot of people here right now. Huh.
Yeah.
And how much was this hotel?
I believe it was only $89.
Yeah, and 22,000 points equivalent. So
Yeah. So if you got points,
pretty affordable, and it's really nice. This is one of the nicest for 22,000 points.
mm-hmm.
This is amazing.
That'd be crazy if we got locked out right there.
What else should we show around here? Just like a view of the room, how big it is right here. This is the corner. Look at that.
We got a fire alarm for safety.
What is that? What is that thing that's over there?
Looks like they threw tape over one of the beds.
Why is that?
I'm not sure.
That's a little weird. A little odd.
And maybe
They had to
somebody
take
put
the
tape on the little light on that.
Why is that?
I think it probably flashes.
A lot.
So
Yeah.
that's probably the reason. But other than that, we got.
So-
This is pretty sweet.
Yeah, so overall impressions of the room, of the hotel. Maybe we'll do another hotel tour, another video, but
Yeah, I'd say this one's I'd stay here.
you'd stay here?
Yeah,
Much recommended.
it's a recommended hotel.
Alright.
Cool.
Say goodbye, dude.
See ya.
Cool. Dude, I don't know. This hotel is probably one of the nicest ones I've stayed at. Especially at this price point.
Yeah.
Look at that painting too, man. This feels real, like, it's not like centered. It's like artsy, It's like
They
only
don't
half the
hold
bed.
back, that's for sure.
Dude, these guys are crazy, man. Horses.
Right on.